Place we're gonna go to is Galata Port. It's one of the newest locations in Istanbul. You get an amazing panoramic view of the city. Once again, easy 5-minute walk down the street, down the hill. So let's go and check it out. This is the street walking down the hill, guys, to get to Galata Port. You can see very authentic. You get the real deal right here. Walk slowly so you don't bust your behind. You got a stroller, it's an easy walk down. I've made this walk up the hill with a stroller, 2 kids, plenty times. It's not fun, trust me, but we're almost there, guys. All right, guys, welcome to Galata Port. This is one of the newest places in Istanbul, and in my opinion, this is one of the most luxury places in Istanbul. The breeze here is amazing. The views are just ridiculously good, especially nighttime when all the lights are on. So with that said, let me just show it to you and show you what this place looks like. Hagia Sophia Mosque, and right next to it is the Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmet Mosque. And right next to the Hagia Sophia Masjid is the Topkapı Palace. That's where the Ottoman headquarters used to sit, and that's where they used to rule out of. The breeze here, guys, is amazing. On a hot day, this place is an amazing place to get in. By the way, this place is free to get in. There's no charge for this. Man, the views are literally amazing. I cannot get enough of these views. I can literally sit here for hours. All right, guys, there's a museum available on the port that you can check out. It's called Istanbul Modern. So it looks like it's just opened up. It's within the last couple weeks. A lot of luxury restaurants here, guys. And this thing goes on for a while. And there's a whole another piece behind it where that's where the mall and the shops are, the luxury stores. Here comes probably the cheapest place you can have a coffee in this port. Kahve Dünyası, Coffee World. This is most likely the cheapest place you can have something to drink. All right, guys, when it comes to cheapest South Bay restaurant to eat in the world, believe it or not, the cheapest one is right here in Istanbul, located right behind me. And they have multiple locations. They're all really same price, but this one's got the best view in my opinion. But you can literally come here, try as much as you want, but you will not spend more than a couple $100 walking out of here. So if you're gonna eat it for the first time, highly recommend doing it here so you don't go broke doing it like in Dubai. All right, guys, while you're at Galata Port, you can actually ride a ferry boat across to the Asia side, Üsküdar, Karakoy, and then, in Europe side, Beşiktaş. The cost is 25 lira per person. If you have a MasterCard, it's 50% off right now. So making it 12.5, which is very, very cheap. I mean, that's pretty much cheaper than water. Water costs more than that right now in Istanbul. All right, guys, we finally made it towards the end of the port, and you literally get some amazing views of the bridge. There's one of my hotels I recently stayed at, Conrad. I don't recommend it. Don't stay there. The little tiny boat you see right there is a new service that's been offered in Turkey recently, Istanbul recently. It's a taxi service. You can literally place an order on the app like an Uber, and it comes, picks you up, and takes you to wherever you want. By water, of course. But I've heard really good things about it.